Hey, my friends, it's me, Retired Shenanigans, here with another one. Welcome or welcome back. Today, we're going to make spaghetti. We're going to make spaghetti with Italian sausages. I'm going to cook these in the pan and then I'm going to cut them up and we're going to put our sauce and we're going to make our spaghetti. But first, I want to say, as always, y'all know how I start and y'all know what I'm about to say. But let's say it anyway because it wouldn't be shenanigans if I didn't. Thank you. I want to thank my new, my old, my future subscribers that's hanging in there with me, that giving me the push to where I need to get. I appreciate you guys. I truly, truly, truly do. I love you guys because I'm doing this on a whim. When I mean a whim, I just picked up the camera one day and I said, let's try YouTube. And this is where I'm at a year later. I'm still not monetized, but I'm gonna do it anyway. But on that note, on that note, when, because I always say if, but I'm gonna say when you make it to the end of this video, please don't forget you have to subscribe, you have to like, and you have to comment so we can push this channel to the next level. I thank you in advance, but we're gonna make this spaghetti. Let's go. Okay, my friends, we're back. I have my pot, I have my fire going, I have my sausage. I'm gonna put them all in this pot, all of them. No grease, no seasoning, no nothing. We're just gonna let them get cooked around in there so I can cut them so they won't fall apart out of the what's the name. That's why I'm cutting them. That's why I'm cooking them. Because you know, if I cut them now, they'll just come right on out of the casing. So, my friends, how's everybody's day going? How's everybody's day going? You won't believe what I'm going to do and Wednesday. You want me to tell you? I might as well tell you. I am going, I am going, excuse me, I am going to work. Yes, I am. I'm going to work at the school for a couple of hours. A couple of hours. Just a couple of hours. You know, I want to kick myself now because I haven't been working in so long. I haven't been to the job in so long. And they asked me to come. It's probably been, when he asked me about 2 weeks ago. So I keep saying to myself, I can't keep saying no because if I keep saying no, they're not going to call me no more when I really want to go to work. So here I am. I'm off to go work. It's summertime, so ain't no students. I guess I'm just hanging around because the building that I work in when in the summer is the district building, which stays open all year. So I'm going to work. Y'all pray for me. Pray for me, people. Pray for me. I really don't want to go, but you know what? Sometimes you just got to thank God for putting things in place to make it. Because this little extra money that I'm going to make, guess what I'm going to do with it? I'm going to go on a trip. So I'm going to take it on a bus ride. On a bus ride. So on that note, my friends, I'm going to let these cook. I'm going to let these cook. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to cut them up. And we're going to watch them cook some more. And we're going to make our spaghetti. All right? Come on back. So my friends, my sauces are cooking. You see that? Yes, they are. So I'm going to put them here. I'm going to put them here. I'm going to cut them down. Let's see how this one is. Because, you know, I'm rushing a little bit, but I don't want to. Oh, that's not bad. You got to cook them. We're going to cook them more slowly in the, with the, what's the name? With the sauce. We're going to season the sauce. And we're going to, you know, we're going to season the sauce and make it taste delicious. Listen, who phone has not ring when they was vlogging? Mine's is. But do you guys get a lot of potential scam? I do. That's what that was. A scam call. So I hung right up on it. Because I'm not answering no scam calls. Can anybody guess what hand I am? Comment below. Tell me what hand I am. Left or right? Hard to tell, huh? Whoa. Runaway sausage. Run away. Tell me, tomorrow's Team Tuesday. Who else does Team Tuesday? Because I'm on E. My fiance used my car the other day and it came back on just about empty. I can't get mad though. You know why? Because he puts gas in it regularly. So I can't get mad when he bring it back once with no gas. Can I? What y'all think? Should I get mad and tell him next time, make sure you put gas in the car? Or should I just be cool? Because you know, it happens. It happened. And tomorrow's Team Tuesday. So when I go out to work tomorrow, first thing I'm going to do is get my Team Tuesday. Or I ain't going to make it to work. You think? Okay. Look at there. Once we get that sauce in there, we're going to doctor it up. It's meat flavored. But we're going to put some other seasonings in it to make it taste better. Because them jar sauces, they don't be tasting that good. Unless you put some seasonings in it. Seasonings in it. I meant to show y'all the price of this these sausage. I should. Is it? I put it in the garbage. But I paid $5.99 for them at the time. It's been a minute since I bought them. I don't know if you can. Or I might have got them on sale. I told you when I shop on sale. So I might have got them for the pack said $5.99. So we're gonna let this cook down. We're gonna get our water ready for the pasta. We're gonna put some sauce on this and we're gonna be cooking. I'll come back. Okay, my friends. I'm back with the sauce. I'm gonna pour it in here. I got my waters going. Wheat, white. My niece don't eat white noodles. So I'm making her a little pot of wheat noodles. So y'all see the sausage, right? They cooking. I didn't put no grease in this pan, as you see, and look all the grease. But we're gonna leave it in there. And now we're going to pour our sauce on it. Meat sauce. Meat flavored. Meat flavored. We're going to stir it up. And we're going to season it. And we're going to taste it. Y'all already know what I'm going to put in it. Y'all already know. There's nothing that y'all don't know. The garlic and the herbs. Garlic and the herbs. We're going to put some Italiano. Italiano. If I can find it. Italian seasoning. I don't know why it don't come out that good when you till I open it. There we go. Italiano. 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 I'm going to drop a little bit of sage in it too. We're going to stir it up. We're going to stir it up. We're going to stir it up. We're going to put the top on it and we're going to let it simmer until the spaghetti gets done. I don't think I need no more I don't think I need no more I don't think I need no more I don't know what I'm trying to say. So no more sauce. You think? Y'all think? I don't think. If they want sauce, they can warm it up. But I think that's enough. I think that's enough. I'm gonna get my infamous seasoning. Y'all know. Gotta cut that acid some. Gotta cut that acid some. One more. Now, y'all might think it's a lot, but it ain't. Y'all might think it's a lot, but it's not. Trust and believe me. Trust and believe me. It's not a lot. It's not a lot. I'm gonna get a spoon and I'm gonna taste it to see if it needs more. Whoa, that's good. That is good. It don't need nothing. It don't need nothing but the top. So now we're gonna let it cook until the spaghetti get done. And when the spaghetti get done, me and you, we're gonna be taste testing. So come on back for the taste test. Okay, my friends, that's the toaster oven for my bread. I made bread. Anyway, here we go. We're gonna put some Parmesan cheese on it. Let me show you how it looks. What you think, my friend? Oh, I'm losing it. That ain't good. That ain't good, but look. All right. Let's put some Parmesan cheese on it. And let's taste it. Okay, my friends. I'm so glad you guys made it to the end of this video. so we can taste this delicious spaghetti that I made for dinner tonight. But thank you. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything that you guys do for my channel. I appreciate you. Let's taste. Mm-hmm. Mm. Y'all know I can't talk with my mouth full. So, that's good. That's good, that's good, that's good, my friends. And my homemade garlic bread. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. This meal is fit for a queen. Thank you, Jesus. So, on that note, like I was saying, thank you. Thank you if you made it. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Because we're going to bring more of these videos so we can get them 4,000 watch hours before February. So, on that note, I thank you. I praise you. I love you. Come back on the next one. See you on the next one.